Strengthening for powerful muscles. Check the video description and first comment for upcoming workshop and course dates. This greatly improves overall health and disease prevention. Muscles regulate metabolism, blood sugar, and prevent chronic diseases. Listen daily until your muscles strengthen and changes become visible. Focus on specific muscle groups during the strengthening exercise. Visualize them repairing, growing, and firming up. We strengthen your core, CNS, spine, sacrum, and tailbone. We tense and relax your core and body cells to process this information. We're connecting your central nervous system to the muscle group you chose in both directions. Top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back to front, and front to back. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time within finite time. Let's strengthen and program this connection to remain stable, centered, and balanced. We're strengthening all your muscle mass. Tightening and loosening muscles, fibers, membranes, cytoplasm, myofibrils, sarcomeres, actin, myosin, SR, and T-tubules. "100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time within finite time." We're strengthening the connective structures, strengthening the endomysium, perimysium, and epimysium. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time within finite time. Strengthening tendons, capillaries, and all connective tissue joining tissues to bones. Strong force from muscle to skeleton for movement. We strengthen blood vessels to supply oxygen and nutrients to muscles and remove waste. Strong to work the whole body for movement and strength. Strengthen each muscle part for its specific function. Strong to contract and generate force. Build muscle mass to improve insulin sensitivity. Strong for cardiovascular health. Strong to maintain a healthy weight. Strong to increase bone density for easier daily activities. We boost muscle strength, endurance, speed, agility, coordination, and flexibility. Strong to desire an active, independent, self-sufficient life. We strengthen all muscles for balance, core, and stability. We boost awareness to build muscle strength through daily habits. Be strong to exercise regularly. Be strong to rest sufficiently. And be strong to nourish your body mindfully. We boost metabolism and absorption of proteins, amino acids, vitamins, minerals, fats, omega-3, and carbs. We strengthen the proteins that form most of our muscle mass. Strong for muscle repair and growth. Strong amino acids to build proteins. Strong vitamins and minerals for muscle function and protein synthesis. We enhance vitamin D absorption for calcium uptake and muscle function. Strong calcium at optimal levels for muscle contraction. Strong magnesium for protein synthesis and muscle function. Strong vitamin C for collagen synthesis and tissue repair. Strong B vitamins, B6, B12, and folic acid for energy and protein synthesis. Cut carbs to fuel energy and aid muscle recovery. Boost hydration for cell function and muscle recovery. Create a sleep routine for muscle recovery and protein synthesis. Eliminate sleep debt that hinders hormone production and repair. Enhance nutrient absorption and transport throughout the body. Create micro tears in muscle fibers through intense training. Allow muscles to repair, becoming bigger and stronger. Boost growth hormone, insulin, and testosterone for muscle repair. Gradually increase workout load and resistance over time. Continuously stimulate muscle growth through progressive overload. Reconnect with ancestors' physical, mental, and emotional health. We boost muscle memory so muscles recall their former shape and strength, staying strong even after long inactive periods. We erase effects of inactivity, injury memories, or anything that kept you from exercising. Strong to regain muscle mass and strength faster when you start training again. We enhance the stem cells residing in your muscles. Strong to merge with muscle fibers, boosting nuclei for greater growth potential. Strong for your body's rebuilding, adaptability, and resilience. Strong to maintain your fitness over time. We strengthen your physical, mental, and emotional intelligence. We'll strengthen you for all. Positive, not positive, negative, not negative. Strong for sameness, difference, change, perception, and their opposites. Let's boost our inner and outer dynamics, push our limits, and maximize our potential, all within a finite time frame. We'll eliminate all weaknesses and obstacles that hinder or block the strengthening of your muscles. Harness the cumulative effect to achieve the impossible consistently and efficiently. Reset, recalibrate, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel now? Any different?